Are you tired of watching your pavement deteriorate year after year? It's time to take action with Satisfactory Sealing and Asphalt, your trusted partner for all things asphalt. Extend the lifespan of your pavement with our expert services. We know that a well-maintained surface not only looks good, but also saves you money in the long run. We use premium sealants for maximum protection. Our products ensure that your pavement stands strong against the elements, day in and day out. At Satisfactory Sealing and Asphalt, we pride ourselves on our attention to detail at every step. Our team of professionals ensures that your project is executed flawlessly. Let's start your parking lot project today. Invest in quality. Invest in your property. As your pavement improves, so does your property value. Watch it soar with our asphalt makeovers. Don't wait any longer. Contact Satisfactory Sealing and Asphalt now and transform your property. Visit our website or call us today. Because when it comes to pavement, we're not just sealing and paving, we're enhancing your investment. Satisfactory Sealing and Asphalt, your path to pavement perfection.